is part 2 of Orphanage Ruined in a different version. So we left out on where she was like, she got a phone call and they said something and she was like, pretty cool. Yeah. So, but I only made one change, that the phone I don't have to hold it out because it has tape. So that's good. I can't believe this is actually happening. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? What? You're coming right now? Okay, why not just in morning? Okay, thanks. That'll give me time to get them ready. Okay. Yeah, I'm good this morning. I can open. Next morning. Wake up, kids. Wake up. Wake up. Especially you. We can't have any sleeping today. Why? Today is a special day. This is really a special day. Kids, you need to line up, please. Well, you may go in the playroom early because today someone's getting adopted. So, someone's getting adopted, so you may go in the playroom early. First, let me check it out. No, don't look at it! Okay, guys, before you start playing, you need to clean up that room now. I'm not the responsibility all the time, you know. Like, don't be so dramatic. I got a phone. Okay. This is gonna take forever. 5 minutes. Wait. Not 5 minutes later. Wait, 1 hour later. Finally, we're done. You may play now, but don't trash up the room. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be me. Don't get your hopes up. You never know. Yeah. You never know. You never, ever, ever, ever know. Yeah, you're right. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a boy. That's not hopes up. probably not even gonna be a boy. Yeah. 15 minutes later. One hour left for them to play. Wow.
Out on where the toaster is.
Boy, my chair is small. I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna go get a new one. No! They're stuck together. Okay. Finally, now I have one that's tall. Hello, we're here to adopt a child. Oh, you're the people that are here to adopt. Okay, you just wait for another hour, because we're open in another hour. You can go wait if you want, or you can go watch them in the back room. Okay, we'll go. I can't find the teddy bear. Oh, you want to find the teddy bear? Oh, here's how you do it. What? You just jump it out, you grab it, you put it down, and you put the stuff back. See? Easy. There's a teddy bear. Just in case you want to know. Thanks. My little teddy bear. Oh, the parents are here, guys. What? Oh. Cool. I wonder if you're getting adopted. Oh, we're not supposed to be picking right now. You can adopt now if you want. Oh, okay. Oh, look, there's only 2 boys. Oh. They're talking about us girls. Don't get your hopes up. Yeah. Just pick any you want. It has got to be this little girl right here. She's so cute. Told ya. Okay, come on. I'll get you your adoption papers. Okay. This is Isabel, I guess. Is this Isabel? Yeah, I just said that. Okay. And I'm Foxy. Oh, Foxy. And Elizabeth. Adopting Isabel. Your ages? 27, 13. Just kidding, 31. It's backwards. Okay. 27 and 31. So, did you ever have a child? No, nope. That's why we came here. Oh, okay. Never had a child. Okay, now, ring, ring. Isabel, just go say goodbye. I have a phone call. Say it to all your friends.
Are you getting them, baby?
What's wrong, guys? We're not getting adopted. So, we're gonna miss you. Bye. Goodbye. Hey, guys. What? Bye. Bye. I'll always miss you. Before you go, I gotta do something. What's that? I'll miss you, Prince. I'll miss you, Princess. Did you just do what I thought you did? Yeah, I guess I kissed her. What's wrong with that? Ew. That's right. You kissed your girlfriend. I never told her. I said goodbye to everyone, and I got my first kiss. Yeah, goodbye. Okay. First kiss. Yeah. Prince kissed me. Okay, you could go. Bye. Bye. Ring, ring. Yeah, hello? Oh, okay. That'll be so cool. Yeah.